Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about my 2011 Ford Fiesta diesel 1.6 liters and share my real ownership experience, especially the issues I've faced between 150,000 kilometers and 250,000 kilometers. Overall, it's been a solid daily driver. It's incredibly fuel efficient, easy to live with, and absolutely perfect for city driving. The size is great for parking, the diesel engine has just enough torque to feel nippy around town, and it's generally been reliable. For the most part, it's just been regular servicing and consumables. But as you push past that 150,000 kilometer mark, you do start to encounter some of the bigger age-related maintenance items. And that's what I really want to get into today. Let's start around 150,000 kilometers. The first major, unexpected issue I experienced was a pulley problem. I started hearing these unusual noises coming from the engine bay. It was a sort of whining or grinding sound that got worse, especially at idle or when the air conditioning was under load. At first, I thought it might be the alternator, but after taking it to my mechanic, he diagnosed it as a failing pulley on the auxiliary belt system. It's a common wear and tear item, but it can cause major damage if it fails completely. The replacement cost around 7,000 Rand, which was a bit of a sting, but necessary. After replacing the faulty pulley and the belt, the engine ran so much smoother, and that annoying noise was completely gone. The car just felt healthier. It was an expensive fix, but honestly, it is the kind of maintenance you should expect on a diesel engine with this kind of mileage. It's better to sort it out before it leaves you stranded. Moving closer to 200,000 kilometers, the next big expense was the suspension. The ride quality had been getting progressively worse for a while. It became stiff, jarring, and really uncomfortable, especially on some of the bad roads we have around here. Going over speed humps felt like a crash, and you could feel every single imperfection in the road. It was clear the original shocks had reached the end of their life, so I had all four corners replaced, which came to another 7,000 Rand. What a difference that made. After replacing the shocks, the car felt more stable, more comfortable, and much safer, particularly at higher speeds on the highway. It absorbed bumps properly again and didn't feel floaty or unstable when cornering. It almost felt like a new car to drive. If your high-mileage Fiesta is feeling rough, definitely get the suspension checked out. It's a game changer for ride quality and safety. Now, at around 250,000 kilometers, the car has developed the inevitable rattling noises. Most of them are small interior rattles from the dashboard plastics and maybe the door cards. They come and go depending on the road surface. There's also some faint noise from underneath the car, which is probably a heat shield or an exhaust bracket that's come a bit loose. To be honest, this is completely expected for a small, high-mileage car. It's a budget car, not a luxury sedan, so you have to accept that things will start to creak after this many years and kilometers. So what's the final verdict? Overall, the Ford Fiesta has been a fantastic economical car. Yes, I've spent about 14,000 Rand on two major repairs between 150,000 and 250,000 kilometers. But that averages out to less than 2,000 Rand a year in non-service costs. For a car this old with this many miles, I think that's pretty reasonable. It's reliable, cheap to run, and still a great little car to drive. If you find a well-looked after one, I'd still recommend it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions about owning a high-mileage Fiesta, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.